The Bifold system offers a stable and smooth opening folding solution, which is ideal for wooden doors weighing up to 14 kilograms each. Common applications for this system include cupboards and kitchen pantries. 3 kits are available in this range, which can accommodate up to 4 doors folding to each side. Here, we will fit 2 doors folding to one side. The tools: drill with 10mm drill bit, tape measure, 10mm spanner, kit spanner, electric or manual screwdriver, set square. First, you need to insert the top pivot into the track. Mark out the positions for the top guide and top pivot. To do this, you need to drill 10mm diameter clearance holes 30mm into the center point of the 10mm holes to allow the hardware to be recessed into the doors. Push fit the hardware to the relevant holes, then use the screws provided in the kit to secure them to the door. You then need to repeat this process to fit the bottom pivot to the door. Mark out the positions of the hinges. These should be 120mm from each end of the door, with the middle one being positioned halfway. Ensure that the hinge pin is lined up to where the doors will meet and pointing down, so the pins do not fall out when the doors are vertical. Using the screws provided, attach the hinges to the doors. Next, take the bottom pivot plate and place it on the floor. You need to ensure that it is set at 36mm from the door frame to the center of the plate. Once you have identified this position, create a pilot hole using the drill. The next stage is to fit the track. The top pivot that was inserted earlier needs to line up with the bottom pivot plate to ensure that the doors hang straight. You may use a plumb line to check this. Mark out and drill pilot holes for the remaining fixing points. Once you have these locations lined up, put the first screw in. Swing the track out of the frame so you can hang the doors. Once the doors are in place, secure the track to the lintel with the remaining screws. Straighten up the doors and connect the door pivot with the bottom pivot plate and line up the top guide with the track. Additional fitting kits are available to hang additional doors. For more information, visit www.pchenderson.com.